Mama Does Nails, and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you are all having an amazing day. So guys, I'm so excited today because I'm going to be doing the first set on my Kirsty Meakin Alina hand, and I still haven't named her, so just saying. But I don't know why, but I really want to do some the Russian dual form shape. So no, Sister Brie had gifted me this and I wanted to use this. Now all of this on here is just for me. It's just for guidelines for when I'm working underneath. So I kind of know, you know, what I'm doing and where to stop and don't go past that line. Let's just get the swatches out again. I don't think I need this one. So there are 6, but obviously one of them is a clear, so we don't need that. So I'm now just looking at these colours and thinking, what do I want to do? Because it is sort of milk bathy, but at the same time, you know, I just want it to be cute. It is going to be cute. So I think I will get I think this is marshmallow white. And I am leaning towards this this pink here, which I believe is pink shimmer. So I do like that. Now this other one I believe is the natural. So not sure if I'm going to lean towards that one. But I definitely want pink, white, and we're going to use some of the clear. So I'm just going to get the base coat all on her nails, and then I will cure that for 60 seconds. Put some of that clear Acrygel in there. And I don't really want a lot to start with. So I'm just getting that in there. Now that line tells me that that's kind of where, you know, I want the other colour. And I'm going to just get them on this. Maybe it'd help if I turned it around this way. There's a star. Some of this beautiful iridescent gel. And this is just literally just glitter. I just think it's nice to just gonna have like a different color introduced to said nail. So I'm gonna put a tiny little bit more of that clear as day. Now I'm just going to make sure that that is not thick at all. Tiny little squidge there. And honestly, I feel like using these dual forms is so therapeutic, especially if you're using Acrygel or, you know, polygel. We'll probably use a bit of that and then a bit of the clear as well. Again, just making sure that's patted in so I don't have as much work to do. And we're going to get this nail on. All right. We'll do a flash, and then I'm going to put in a lamp while I start working on the other nail. So I'm going to go in with some of the clear as day inside that nail first. and we're going to put some flowers. Twinkle star and just the smaller snowflakes. It's that one that I had to bend. I'm still reeling from it. Hay fever, oh my goodness. Alright, so we can put that over there. And now just going to swap brushes. Going to get some of this. This beautiful iridescent gel. Some of this gold flakes. So I think I'm going to go in with that pink glimmer over there. Again, I'm going to just fit her on like that. So just a little bit of everything, right? So I'm just getting some of those little stars and starbursts and stuff in there. Just a little tiny one there. Let's find some flakes. Some, you know, the smaller snowflakes. I think they're doing some roadworks outside. Just as I was enjoying the piece. Okay, so again, some of the gel, and I'm just still on that little bit of Acrygel that I've put down. One, two, three. And I'm going to go in with Clear as Day at the bottom first. What's that humming again? Are they still drilling? And there goes the automatic air freshener. Gosh. Okay. Acrygel has been so easy to work with, honestly. I cannot lie. Really, really nice. So now I've got the Russian shape out of my brain. I can't wait to do, you know, use a nail form and just half tips. Okay, here we are. And that one's off. There we are. Oh my gosh, I love it. There we are. So here are how the nails are looking before we file and all of that good stuff. So I will be taking the nails off the practice hand. Oh my gosh. So guys, off camera, I absolutely forgot. I am so sorry. I was so mesmerized by this Acrygel while I was filing. I was planning to leave one nail to do, and I've sat here in silence. Oh my gosh. Whew. This has been absolute a joy to work with. And I did take the nails off to do the filing, but OMG. OMG. So I'm just going to clean her up and everything. And then we're going to do the top coat and some bling. Okay, so Miss Kaale here has just had her first wash. Her first hand wash. And I'm just literally dabbing that paper towel on her. For the bling, I'm going to try Max's the gummy gel in a jar because I haven't yet. I had the squeezy one. So we're going to try this. I'm just going to use this little brush so you can see it's definitely gummy. Ooh. So I'm telling myself it's Friday. Got that Friday feeling. And I'm going to just put the bling, I do think on just this one now. So I was playing about with something, deciding. So let's see. I'm testing Max's Bling Kit. So this was in there, the gummy gel was in there, and there was a top coat in there as well. So over there, put this. Oh, is that upside down? I think it is. Like that. And then there. So, oh gosh, no. One. I got this. So I'm gonna top coat around the stones. So in case you are wondering, how comes you can see yellow? I used a bit of Sasha on the bottom side of that now. Oh, that's a beautiful yellow jelly top coat, right? And I was so mesmerized when I was filing and buffing. I don't even think I really got to film a lot of it. And then I realized I was supposed to be filming. It was just so easy. Wow. Using the Acrygel, oh my gosh. And the nails really do feel strong, so I definitely have to have a go as well. I'm sorry, Kaale, it's not just going to be you. Oh, I'm just still looking at her. Guys, this is about to be a whole long video that I have to edit, but this is how the nails are looking. Oh, wow, I do love it. And, you know, putting Sasha at the back just brought all that colour and glitter and stuff to life. Absolutely love it. I will obviously do some final shots, but this is how she's looking. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. What is that? Oh, I love you all. I want to have a panic attack about that stain. Please catch me in the next one, guys. Love you. Bye.